Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to assign row number in SAS programming. A very useful and frequently asked concept in real-time data manipulation and interviews. So we have a input table, sales data, okay, containing ID, reason, salesperson, and sales. And the data set shows the sales performance of employees across different regions like east, west, and north. Okay, so the task here is the task here is to assign row number within each region. Okay, we want to assign row number within each region. So for example, you can see in east region we have four salespersons: Alice, Bob, Alice, and Carlo. So they have different sales. We want to assign row number from highest to lowest. Okay, so in east you can see Bob has the highest sales, so I'm assigning row number 1, and Alice has the same sales as Bob, so I'm assigning 2. So row number basically work like that. So it's work on the basis of ascending and descending. If we want to assign row number from highest to lowest, then we need to sort our sales data on descending, and if we want to give row number to our data from lowest to highest, then we are going to use ascending. Okay, so same things are applied for north and west. Okay, but in SQL we have multiple functions, row number, windows function, to assign row number easily, but in SAS programming we don't have any such functions. So let's go to our SAS studio and see how we can assign row number in very easy method. So I have already created an input table in front of my screen, you can see, and let's run this input table and check the output. So I have ID, reason, salesperson, and sales. I have observation count as well, so let's remove that. I don't want observation count, and let me rerun this code. Okay, so now I have ID, reason, salesperson, and sales. So I have different regions: east, west, and north. Now I want to give the row number on the basis of region and sales data. So you can see in our output table our data is not in sorted order. Okay, because you can see in east Alice has 500, then Bob has 600, Alice has 600, and Carol has 400. It's not in sorted order. First we need to sort our data. So for sorting I will use proc sort data, sales data by, I will use reason, descending, sales, because I want to give a row number highest to lowest. Okay, so let's run this and check the output. Okay, now you can see our data is in sorted order from highest to lowest. For each region you can see the sales amount for Bob is the highest and Carol has the lowest sales. Same for north, you can see Grace has the highest sales, 800, and Aeon has 600. And for west you can see Dave has 700, and in west same Dave has 500. So now data is in sorted order. Now the next thing is to create a row number column and assigning the rank from highest to lowest. So I will create a data set name data row number and set my sorted data, which is sales data, and I will set it by reason, because we want to give a row number on the basis of reason. So I'm using reason in by. Now I will use first dot reason. I hope you all are aware about first dot and last dot in SAS programming. Then row number. Let me print this data set so we can see our output easily, because my screen is not able to show you all the data directly. That's why I'm using row number. So let me run this code and check the output. Okay, so here you can see in row number column all the values are assigned with 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, which is not true. We want consecutive numbers from highest to lowest for each region. Okay, so here what I'm doing if first dot region then row number equals to 1. It means if first dot region, you can see in east, if it's first then row number will be 1. Now I'm going to assign if it's not first then row number plus 1. So here I am going to use else row number plus 1. Let me run this. Okay, now you can see we have 1 2 3 4 for east. You can see for Bob, who has maximum sales, which is assigned by row number 1, and Alice has same sales but she is assigned by 2, and Alice has 500 sales, then he is assigned by 3, and Carol has the minimum one, so he is assigned by 4. Same goes for north and west. So in that way we can assign our row number for each value. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel so I can upload more videos like that.